everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward to talk about the latest update that we have regarding the NEET MDS 2024 exam update. There is the NBE notification which is officially out and it is written as a tentative date schedule out for the NEET MDS 2024 examination, and the date is the 9th February 2024. Now the biggest question arises in everyone's minds, as it is a tentative schedule, will the date change? See, in case of the NEET MDS examination, there might be the chances, hardly 30% chances I am expecting right now, that 30 to 50% the chances are there that date might get changed, that to come under like in the first week of the March. Just like we have the NEET PG 2024 examination on the 3rd March 2024, similarly the NEET MDS examination should be in the first week of the March 2024. So 50% chances are there that the date might get changed or the date will not change. So right now this is the scenario in case of the NEET MDS 2024 exam date. Now the second question is, what about the internship? As I have already told you, just like the previous year, this year also there will be the chances, 100% or at least 80 to 90% chances are there that the internship date is extended. Again, then the exam take place. After that, the counseling is delayed. After that, the counseling take place. So the whole scenario which was there last year, like in case of the NEET MDS 2023, the similar pattern will happen this year also. This is what we are expecting that. So definitely there are the chances, more than 70%, let's say. Right now scenario, I think, and my answer is yes, there will be the extension of the internship date in case of the NEET MDS aspirant 2024. So right now, who are the dental interns who are just go through the schedule? First, it is a tentative schedule. Second, definitely the chances are there that the internship date extension will be there, right? And maximum if the date has increased, that will be come up to the first week of the March, that is March 2024 first week, because after that we have the election. So I hope this is just a Diwali blast for everyone. So all the best for that. Happy Diwali to everyone, and if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to get the past papers, 5-year set, 12-year set, 14-year set, 10-year sets, any other set, whatever you want. In case of the NEET MDS 2024 preparation, the past papers are available in the PDF form. Either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID. You can ask for the link. You can DM me regarding the past paper PDF set, and you can have it on your WhatsApp. Moreover, there are the preparation groups, demo classes, everything is going on, and right now it is free because of Diwali. So better you join yourself as early as possible. After that, maybe it get paid. I don't know about it right now. So better you just connect with me as early as possible for you. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Then hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my videos as much possible for you as you can. Moreover, there are the past papers of 5-year set, that too of INI CET papers with complete solution is available, and the complete paper of the NEET MDS 2023 paper with complete solution is available in the PDF form. So you can take any paper help PDF which you want to. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.